Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how to make this delicious Arabian dish called basbousa. This is very expensive in the market and we're gonna show you how to make this easily and in an inexpensive way. Let's begin. This will be really easy to make and it will be very inexpensive and amazing when you taste it. You're gonna love it. Now let's begin. You will need 1 cup of semolina first. This is not idli or dosa rava, this is wheat rava. Next you will be needing 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 eggs which were kept at room temperature. Oops. Next, you will be needing 1/4 cup yogurt at room temperature. Then you have to whisk it nicely. It should be perfectly whisked. We have to add 3/4 cup of oil. So first I'm putting 1/2 cup. Then I'll be putting 1/4 cup. Next, we will be adding 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. We will be adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Again, we have to whisk it perfectly together. After whisking it perfectly, you have to put it on a tray and spread it evenly on the base. But before that, we also covered the base with oil to grease it and make sure that the basbousa gets perfectly baked and does not stick on the base of the tray. Now we're putting it in the oven, but before putting the basbousa in the oven, you must preheat the oven for 10 minutes on 150 degrees Celsius temperature. Right now, while baking the basbousa, you must keep the temperature the same, keep the heat on the top and bottom side, and let it bake for 20 minutes. I'll be back after 20 minutes. Till then, I'll be preparing the syrup. For this, you'll be needing 3/4 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Then you have to boil it till it gets a boil. Just like it should begin to boil only till then. And you must be continuously stirring it to make sure that the sugar does not get stuck to the bottom and burn. Then just when you see the slight boil start, turn off the flame. Give it a good mix. It's done now. As you can see that the basbousa is fluffy and very nicely done. Just to give it a nice golden brown color, I'm going to keep it again for more 5 minutes on 175 degrees and only the top side heater on. And it's perfect. This color is perfect. As you can see, even the cashew nuts are perfect. It looks really yummy. I'll be just cutting it right now. As you can see, it cuts really smoothly. I'll be adding the syrup on it. You have to add the syrup evenly on every basbousa so that they absorb the syrup and get the sweetness. And then you have to leave it for 10 minutes for the basbousa to cool down and for it to absorb the syrup. It's perfectly done right now. I'll just show you how well it's done. Oh, it's so soft. As you can see, it's really soft and fluffy. It's roasted perfectly. I'll just take a quick bite of it. It's really nice. It's extremely good. I really hope you'll make this for yourself and for your relatives as well. And if you did try to make it, please tell us in the comment section that how did it go. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.